Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and this is my very first unboxing. I've never done one of these before. I'm very excited. And this has come from Lisa Fisher of Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling, and her Etsy shop is Paper Lace and Bling. Without the Lisa's, just Paper Lace and Bling. And I've put this here to cover the addresses on the box. So I did cut the tape, and I'm going to go ahead and open it like this. Now I can move that. Okay, and then what I'm going to do as soon as we get started is I'm going to put the box over to the side, and that way we can see all the goodies that are inside. The first thing that I see is a coupon for 15% off for you guys. Can you see that? And it's good until the end of the year, and you get 15% off of $15 or more, and use the code 15TERRY, T-E-R-I, and I'll put all this information in the text file below. Okay, so are you ready to see the stuff? I'm ready to see the stuff. I can't wait. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put this over here. And the first thing I see are, oh, I love these things. You stick them, you take the little wax thing and stick the little beads down. So those are pretty. Look at the iridescent ones. Oh, those are nice. Those are nice. Oh, look at the flowers. I can always, hey, bookmakers can always use flowers. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at the cream colored ones. Those are so pretty. The blue one, I like the blue one too. They're all so pretty, all the colors. All right, now, you know I'm going to take forever, so let's put these back in here. They're very, very pretty. They're paper, so I have to be careful with them. Okay, I guess I took too many out of the bag. It's out of the bag now. The flower is out of the bag. Okay. Oh, and then there's some playing cards. Oh, look how little that one is. I've never seen a little bitty playing card that small. Let's get this open and see what's in here. Okay. Lots of playing cards. Look at that. Look how many are in there. And there's a Santa sticker. And then there's some bigger cards. Oh, look at this one. It's a map. That's pretty cool. So this isn't a playing card, obviously. It's a card to include as ephemera. And then here's another one. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to show it to you. Oh, look, it's a map too. That's cool. Now look at these playing cards. Look how little that one is. That's the teeniest playing card I've ever seen. So let's just do a quick thing here. Oh, this is from Pirates of the Caribbean, I believe. And the castle. Oh, look at that one. It's a little bunny rabbit one. Ha! That's so cool. Oh, and a bird. I love birds. Oh, wait, this one feels... Oh, look at that on the other side. That's cool. I like those. Those are pretty. Oh, there's another. Oh, rook. Now, I used to play rook when I was a kid. That shows you how old I am. You're over the hill when... Your arms are barely long enough to hold your reading material. Yes, I have my reading glasses on right now. I sure do. Okay, so that goes there. And put our Santa Claus and our bunny rabbit and our maps over there. And, oh, it wouldn't be called Paper Lace and Bling if there wasn't lace. Look at the lace. Look at these flowers. Oh, wow. Look at that. Can you see that? That's so pretty. Oh, and look at this one too. These are all different. Each one is different. Look at that one. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, that's going to look good on the front of a book. Oh, look at this lace. This is pretty too. Oh, look at that. They almost look like angel wings. And then here's a nice wide one. This would make a good binding on a book, like a book cover. You can tell us bookmakers and folio makers, everything is, oh, this is what we could do with it on a book. This is what we could do with it on a book. This is great so far, and look, we're not even part way in. I should have set my 30-minute timer. Not that I weren't going to quit after 30 minutes. I'm just saying my recording after 30 minutes is kind of iffy. Okay. So then, oh, look at this. That's cool. Oh, look, it's a cork. Wow. And a pokey. Woo. That looks sharp. I'm just going to stay away from the sharp. As we all know me and sharps, right? Oh, here's some more laces. Oh, look, I like the one she tied it in. The blue one is really pretty. Look at all the colors. All the different colors and all the... Oh, look at this one. I like that one. Ooh, purple. I like purple, too. That's also pretty. Thank you, Lisa. It's really awesome. All right, let's see what else we got in here. More lace. Look at all this lace. Oh. Oh, look at this one. It's got the flowers on it. It's so pretty. I keep saying the word pretty. I'm running out of adjectives. Look at that. That's very nice. Oh, and this one's kind of scalloped. Look at that when you put it on. You know what I mean? It'll have like the little ripples in it. That's going to be great. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this one. This one's nice. Look at that. I really like that. I could see making a pocket out of that. And then you could see what you put in the pocket through there. That would be so great. Oh, this is good. Oh, look. And if you look in here, this would match that. This will go with that. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this one. I like that one a lot. A lot. Oh, this one's cool too. Oh, look at it. It's all shiny. It's got some bling to it. There you go. Paper, lace, and bling. We got paper. We got lace. We got bling on the lace. We got little blings here. We're doing good so far. This is also great. I can't wait to start using it. Look at that. Buttons. I'm a button addict. I'm telling you right now. I have tree buttons. I have little buttons. I have big buttons. Oh, I'm not going to be able to get this open. My stupid hands. There we go. There we go. All right. Out come the buttons. Oh, look at the buttons. Oh, look at this one with the... It's a bow. Oh, and this rose is really pretty too. Can you see that? Oh, look at the eyeball. I love the eyeball. This is a stick-on. Some of these are stick-ons and some are buttons. Oh, that's pretty. There's a purple bow. Oh, and another one that looks like it's under, it's, what do you call it? A cabochon. Look at those. Those are so cool. Let me see if I can, I don't even know where the bag is. Let's see if I can put them back in the bag. Probably not. Yeah, most of them in there. I only missed a bow tie. Okay, let's put that over there. Oh, some closures. These are cool. I'm not going to take them out because I'm going to lose the little pieces. Those are awesome. Oh, check these out. Oh, I can't get it open. I hate my hands sometimes. All right, you're just going to have to take my word for it. There's this like a brass colored heart, and there's like a little frog. I love frogs. Oh, wait. There we go. There we go. We have success. Look at these. These are charms and stuff. Look at that. And you stick them on. And I love this little frog. I'm not sure this little frog is going to make it to a book. I hate to say that. Sorry, Lisa. And here's like a little Tinkerbell, a little fairy. These are awesome. I love these. I can see these going on a ribbon on a book, or a journal, or a folio. Who knows? Yeah, that little frog's not going to make it on a book. He's going to end up on a necklace. I'm just telling you, the new home of that frog is going to end up being on a necklace. Oh, look at this ribbon. Oh, this is cool. Oh, look, there's a ton of it. She put a ton of it in here. I can't wait. It's butterflies. You guys know how I love butterflies. There's big butterflies and little butterflies. What is this? I'm going to look at this first. Oh, it's paper. Oh, let's get through with the lace. Paper, lace, and bling. We have some of everything. Some of everything. Ah, I did it. Yay. You notice I'm not sealing them back together. Here's some elastic. Oh no, it's waxed thread. Oh, look at this lace. This is pretty. Green is my favorite color. I like that one a lot. Oh, look at this one. Can you see that one? Very nice. Very nice. I love all of this stuff, Lisa. Thank you so very much. I can't wait to start using it in projects. Oh, look at this one. That's pretty cool. It almost looks like it would go in a, these almost, I know they're flowers, but they could also almost be starfish because of the color with the, it almost looks like water. All right. So I'm leaving this open. I'm going to get non-Ziploc bags. Put the kind with the little pull thing on it. Here we go here. Got some more lace. Oh, and some cloth. This is so cool. Oh, look at this. This eyelet. That's very nice. Very nice. Look at the whites. Oh, this is pretty. I can't remember what this material is called. Do you guys remember? I can't remember, but look at the embroidery on that. That is so pretty. Can you see it? Very, very nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, look at this. This is very nice too. It's got a ribbon going through a ribbon. It's got a ribbon running through it. Is that like bad joke number 4? Very pretty. And it's a really nice kind of a cream color. Okay, look at all that lace and stuff now. And the bling. And now we're coming to paper, it looks like. Oh, look at all these papers. Oh, look at the penguins. Oh, bookbinding. Bookbinding linen. I've been wanting to try some of that. Lisa's making a, she does tutorial videos too, and she's making a mini photo album, and she's using this binding stuff in there, and I'm not sure exactly what it is she's using, but maybe I could try it out for that. Look at this. All right, check that out. I love that. Very nice, very bright. Okay, and then we've got older papers that are great for using in books. Look at that. Oh, look at that, the ad on this. 8 cents each. 8 cents each for anything on this page. Anything on this page that you want. You can get a pan and a pot or a washboard. 8 cents. 8 cents each. 2 pages for only 2 cents each. 2 cents. That's it. A tin pudding pan. A pocket corkscrew. I love that. And then this is part of a dictionary. I love dictionary pages. And look at the nice coloring around the edges. You can tell it's nice and aged. Well, this is just such the greatest haul. This is the greatest haul ever. I can't wait to start using all this stuff. You guys know I'm going to start sticking this stuff on stuff. because that's just going to be going with some of the lace, and you put that on the lace. And then we've got our bow ties and our buttons and little charms, and more lace, and paper, more paper. And so I just want to thank Lisa. This is just awesome. I love this. I can't believe how much stuff she fit in that little box. I don't know how she did it, but I'm glad she did. I'm glad she did. So thank you very much, Lisa. And I want you guys to make sure to go visit Lisa's shop at Paper Lace and Bling over at Etsy. And then I don't have her blog on here, but the link will be below the video, and it's facebook.com, and I'm not sure it's going to be groups, and then I'm not sure if it's a number, but if it's not, it's going to be Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling. So I'll put the link below the video for you. So that's it for this unboxing. It's my very first one, and I've had a really good time. I hope you have too. And yeah, thanks again, Lisa. This stuff is really great, and I can't wait to start using it.